Off the top at 6, a lawsuit has been filed in connection with the death of a South Florida man who was killed by the propeller of a boat driven by DJ Laz. The 23-year-old victim, Ernesto Hernandez, died in the accident last Sunday afternoon.
And now his family says that DJ Laz acted negligently when he allegedly asked people to help push his boat off a sandbar. Local 10 News reporter Glenn Milberg is live for us on Key Biscayne with our top story.
Lori, Calvin, you can see that sandbar from the Key. I want to point you in the direction way out there. That's actually called Manslaughter Flats, and we learned tonight it is a continuing source of concern from people in this neighborhood because of this social media fueled parties that are there all the time. That's where this happened. And this lawsuit that was filed today, not a surprise. This family of Ernesto Hernandez is grieving. They want justice. They want answers. And within this lawsuit, I think there is a lot that people can learn both about boating and partying on the water off South Florida shores. The yelling, engines revving, water spewing. The party boaters with cell phones could not know last Sunday. These recordings would be evidence in a negligence lawsuit against the pilot there, the radio personality known as DJ Laz.
His mind, I think he's trying to help, but he doesn't know because that help is going to be his life.
The grieving family of Ernesto Hernandez blames his gruesome death in the propellers of the 4-engine 40-footer on all involved in the day-long advertised party, on DJ Lazaro Mendez, on Voli Spirits and its Florida subsidiary, which is partially owned by Miami rap star Pitbull. It also names the Keys-based company that owns the boat.
¿Cómo van a estar encendidos y llamar ayuda?
With propeller blades spinning, his distraught grandmother asks who would ask people to get in the water near them. As witnesses say, the DJ did, and Hernandez, a newly minted police officer and instinctive good guy, obliged.
If you're an experienced captain, if you know how to drive a boat, you don't have people pushing your boat and you're revving the engines. You know somebody can get hurt.
Mendez declined sobriety tests and displayed no indication he was drunk, according to 5 officers there. They are bound by Florida law, much less restrictive for boaters than for drivers on the road.
There's not enough regulations, I agree with that, and that's one of the things we'd like to create a law in the name of Ernesto to see if we can prevent deaths in the future.
Perhaps another legacy may be down the road here. Key Biscayne officials are actually looking at banning these kind of parties with alcohol, etc., out on Manslaughter Flats. That remains to be seen. Meanwhile, I will point out this is a civil lawsuit that was filed today, but investigators on the case tell me that it is not out of the question that criminal charges may be filed in this case as well. I'm Glenna Milberg reporting live tonight on Key Biscayne, Local 10 News.